we making today?
You know what I've been wanting lately?
What?
Naan.
Oh, naan sounds like a very good idea. We haven't had that in a while. I was watching a video the other day of this wise man named Joshua who made it look and sound easy enough. We're going to start off by blooming our yeast.
Bloom your yeast by adding 1 tablespoon of instant yeast to half a cup of lukewarm water, as well as 1 teaspoon of sugar to feed it. Now after stirring this yeasty boy, we're going to let this mixture sit for 10 minutes. Now we're going to combine 2.5 cups of flour, half a cup of full-fat yogurt, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a teaspoon of salt, and our big ol' yeasty boy. Once your mixture looks like a shaggy dough, just dump it on the counter and start kneading. We're going to knead until the dough is nice and smooth, bruv.
Slap it.
After slapping this bad boy for a little bit, we're going to let it rest in a well-oiled bowl for 1 hour. Make sure to LeBron your work surface so the dough doesn't stick. Cut the dough in 8 equal pieces. Now we're going to start rolling our dough. Make sure to dust your rolling pin with flour. Also, do yourself a favor and use a regular sized rolling pin. Size apparently matters.
WTF are these shapes?
I have no idea. Before starting, get your pan as hot as you can and start frying the dough. It's only going to take about 2 minutes per side. Also, pay attention. If you don't pay attention, you're going to end up with burned naan like I did right here. If you want to be fancy and post up pics on your gram, heat up some butter in a separate pan with some garlic. Brush the naan on both sides with the garlic butter and finish it off with some chopped up parsley. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make flatbread. I'm calling it a flatbread because that does not look like naan, but it's still good though. Bear uses the stand mixer.